Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for the Dualsense charging station for the PlayStation 5. So I picked this up the other day. I need a different, a more permanent place to charge my controller rather than doing it through the USB at the front of the console. It's just nice to have it there, so you just stick it on charge. Plus, I'm going to be getting the hopefully, fingers crossed, going to be getting the Galactic Purple controller, DualSense controller, soon. So yeah, I'm going to need the extra charging bit on the for charging. So yeah, I picked this up the other day for $24.99, which for the official one is actually not too bad. I can remember when obviously the PlayStation first come out, and it was hard to get hold of one of these. Obviously, I didn't get my PlayStation until September last year anyway. But yeah, I can remember friends of mine having a lot of problems getting particularly this. So yeah, there's the front. There's the side. Compatible hardware with the DualSense controller. And then on the back, click, charge, play. Charge 2 controllers. 3 out USB ports. So it has got its own power supply, so that's cool. Click in design. Then on the other side, just your contents. So yeah, I have taken it out of the box because it's easier for me to do it that way. So in there we have first part of the charger. Second part, well, the plug, the most, in my opinion, the most, well, the safest plug in the world, purely because of the long bit there. It earths it, so you ain't going to get an electric shock like in a miracle. Manuals, which nobody reads, and the actual charger itself, which, if I can get out with one hand, there we go, success. So yeah, there it is. I actually really like the design of this. It's very in with the PlayStation, so it's a really nice design. But yeah, as you can see, there's your charging things. It's a little bit springy. And your PlayStation logo. So yeah, that's it for my quick unboxing of the PlayStation DualSense charging station for the PS5, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, thank you very much for watching, guys. Cheers, bye bye.